Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into EBSCOhost, access academic research databases step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for EBSCOhost or the link provided by your institution. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. If you are accessing EBSCOhost through an institution, choose the appropriate option for institution login. Enter your institutional credentials, which may include your username and password. If you're logging in as an individual user, use your personal EBSCOhost account credentials. After filling in your details, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit or Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be granted access to the EBSCOhost database. If there are any issues, verify your username and password and try again. Once logged in, you can begin searching the extensive collection of academic resources. Utilize the search bar to enter keywords related to your research topic. Explore the various filters to narrow down your results based on publication date, type, or subject. Click on any title to access the full text of the article or publication. Take advantage of features like saving articles to your account or exporting citations. Remember to log out once you finish your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step